Welcome to Disney World. Where's your sister? Where's she at?
We're gonna get kicked out.
You kicked out. Factory fireworks. You hear Star Wars going on? Somewhere in there, Simmery is in there. Where's that man? It almost looks like him.
Yeah, we're gonna get kicked out.
Only if you keep saying it. That was exciting. Where's the grand finale? Somebody watches this, will she remember all this? Flame. Say, Marie, remember the flame? Come over here and watch. Get over here. Here to pick up the Soul Mouseketeer on her Disney day. Watching fireworks at Disney Hollywood Studio, aka MGM. Love the Mickey Mouse statue blocking us. See him up there? Enjoying your touristy day? Want a picture of you? You want Zachary to take a picture of you? I'm making a movie. Wonderful. Nobody's gonna care. Did you want to be in the kitchen?
Yeah, like behind the fireworks.
Wait until the grand finale. There should be a grand finale coming. Did you want Zachary to take a picture of you?
I don't think we'll show us. You just press that.
I do it one.
Zachary, you take a video. And you take it.
How do I do it?
Wait. Let me see what's setting. Okay.
Go ahead for
You press that. You just look through the hole.
Oh, okay.
And then you just press it.
For fireworks. I'm waiting for fireworks. You can go. Thank you. No fireworks. Hopefully you like red fireworks.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on a second.
Thanks, dude.
I hope it showed up.
Let me know if I need to do a do-over. There's going to be a lot of them going off at once. Grand finale.
I have 8 more, so I'm good.
Star Wars fireworks. Mommy's missing out. Look at all the people escaping. Escape, people, escape. Kylo Ren is coming to get you. Escape. Woo! I think that might be it. Maybe. Music's still playing.
Is the person waving? They waved at the camera.
I had it facing above the people, above the crowd. Look at it like this. Can you see through the camera? Like that. Is that it?
No.
Whoa, that's not it? Okay. You tell I haven't been to Fantasmic in a while. I've never been to the Star Wars Fantasmic. Big ones, come on, big ones. guys should stand in front of them and I'll video you guys. I didn't mean to make you miss it. I'm sorry. You want to see it on video?
Thank you for joining us for Star Wars: A Galactic Spectacular. Now, please make sure to gather all of your belongings and enjoy the rest of your evening.
What?
Here
Is that it?
at
That's it.
Disney's
See
Hollywood
where I'm
that's
saying
it.
thank you? Say goodbye. Goodbye from Disney's Magic MGM Hollywood Studio something.
Everyone's leaving.
Look at it, it's a mad rush escape. Escape, escape, everybody. Hurry, 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 hurry.